Polygon MATIC dropped an astonishing, eye-watering 35% within just 2 days after Gary Gensler announced that it was considered an unregistered security. MATIC and several other coins in the crypto market right now are under attack, and it has absolutely decimated their prices. Even though we've bounced up after testing this structure support, this is still not looking good for Polygon. If we break this structure support, there is not much left to keep it from dropping completely. And with that, I'm going to talk to you about exactly where I think Polygon is going and what we need to be looking out for in the market. With that, let's jump straight into the charts. Taking you over to the Trade Confident.io website, scrolling all the way down to Polygon and MATIC. And the first one we're taking a look at is the emotional index. After this insane drop, we got an even more insane drop from the emotional index itself. We're currently sitting in fearful territory, and as we've seen previously, when we hit fearful territory, this is usually when we're seeing moves back up to the market, even if it's been subtle recently. A move up is a move up no matter how you look at it, but we need to cover a lot of ground before we're caught back up to where we were previously. Next up is going to be the Polygon volatility breakout detector. There is an insane amount of volatility, probably one of the highest readings I've seen on any cryptocurrency so far when using this metric. Absolute high volatility. Most often this will result in some amounts of consolidation before volatility comes back in, but we'll have to keep you updated because this is due to fundamentals in the market, not just technicals. If you want a little bit of hope though for Polygon, we can look at the whale smart money metric. As of right now, let me scroll down one more. As of right now, we're seeing a ton of orange bars in the long trade sentiment side, multiple of them far surpassing the 600 to 800 point range that we're really looking for whales to begin buying back into the market. This coincides very well with the price versus well money flow later on the live chart, so stay tuned for that. But for now, we got to take a look at the Polygon major support and resistance levels. There is no more structure support on this chart. I'll have to wait till the live charts to show you structure support, but we are seeing structure resistance right about the 75 cent to 80 cent level. That's where I'm going to be looking on the move up. We got a lot of ground to cover as we talked about before, so we got to move on to the Polygon long versus short trades. We saw a massive spike in short trades here with only a small dip in long trades as this played out. We are seeing short trades diminish a little bit, so as this comes back down, I'm hoping to see long trades come back into the market, and then and only then will we see a recovery. Last but not least, we're looking at the Polygon daily trade scanner. Now, over the next couple of candles, I will be looking for a buy signal that would signal the next move up. Now, of course, we will need to pay attention to the news too, because the fundamentals, the SEC, is actually what caused this drop to happen. However, this metric has been wonderful at predicting the bottoms here and the tops of MATIC. So if we're seeing a buy signal, we're very likely to see moves up soon. We're going to be looking for that. And if you want to keep track of MATIC, it's going to be really important to do so using some really solid technical analysis indicators. If you want to get access to these metrics and many more benefits, you can grab our membership at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the membership is the very first link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our homepage. Just move up to subscribe right here. Fill out your information. I personally recommend the full access for $59 a month because on top of all 20 coins worth of metrics, you're going to get access to our scalping trades. We are 27 wins, 0 losses with a little bit more coming. We'll reevaluate some of our trades in our future forecast videos, which are members only content as well. Just go ahead and click choose, follow the prompts, and we hope to trade with you soon. With that, let's check out the live charts. Here we are looking at MATIC on the 1-day time frame. I'm using the price versus while money flow, trend exhaustion, and TC top and bottom finder indicators. They are absolutely crushing the market. We got a call for the top right about here before this drop even started. The only part of the SEC's drop that happened was right about here. So this top right here with price versus while money flow high, trend exhaustion high was a great call as well. Since then, as we have dropped, we've seen whale money absolutely dump out of the market like crazy. This is normal because where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. And at the same time, we're seeing an absolute bottom on the trend exhaustion. Both of these by themselves are very bullish, but if we get a buy signal right here, as we did in the past, all three of these signals right here would combine to be some of the most bullish you can possibly get in crypto. And if we actually end up getting that, that's where I think the 81 cent structural resistance could really come into play. However, we have to keep in mind, we just retested structure support here at about 59 cents. You can see as we move back here, it takes quite a while before we actually find that structure support again. It has been a long time, literally almost about a year since Polygon has been this low. However, after scrolling out, you can see the next structure support right about here at 31 31.99 cents. Just call it an even 32 cents. This is the lowest that we see it on the Coinbase history chart. Right here, we're using Coinbase. Polygon, of course, is actually older than what this history shows. But as far as Coinbase goes, this is the absolute lowest we even have record of. So if we drop below this, it could be catastrophic for MATIC. From the current price, a drop down to that level would be another 49%. Absolutely insane drop is what that would be. So honestly, I'm not too worried about that. I think we are going to maintain structure support. But if the SEC comes out and hits MATIC again, if more negative news comes out from MATIC, this is literally the only structure support we have left. What I'm really hoping for here is a move up though. And if we move back up to our previous structure resistance, this is going to be closer to a 28% move. Either way, big moves are coming for Polygon, whether it's 28% or if it's negative 50%, something big is about to happen for Polygon. And as that happens, you're going to want to have access to these indicators to keep track. We'll keep everyone updated as this lawsuit plays out, but if you want to trade yourself using these indicators, if you want to track the flow of wild money, find out when trends are exhausted, and find the perfect tops and bottoms of cryptocurrency, you can grab these indicators for up to $400 off right now. All you got to do is click the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the indicators will be the second link. Go ahead and click that, and it will bring you to our store page. Just go ahead and click I want this, fill out your information, click pay, and it'll offer you the TC top and bottom finder for just $349 instead of the regular $749. This is a $400 discount offer. Just go ahead and click add to cart. You get your $400 off all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators. Just make sure your information is filled out, click pay, and you are good to go. Once again, once you have your indicators loaded up on your chart, we're just looking for a buy signal to pop, since we already have price versus wild money flow low and trend exhaustion low. And as soon as we see all three of these, that for me will signal the next move up. That's only technical analysis though. If we get fundamentals coming from the SEC, we could see a knockdown about 50% to test structure support at 32 cents. Be on the lookout. We'll keep everyone updated either way. And with that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.